Super Bowl Sunday, deep dish Chicago pizza made in the famous Forno Piombo oven with the Smitty skillets. My wife is making the base, right?
The crust.
The crust. Perfect. All homemade, all organic, the best wheat, no additives. This one right here is vegan, so that's tofu.
And eggplant.
And eggplant. Homemade tomato sauce. My wife been working on it for 2 days. Everything from scratch. We don't buy anything with cans. Go in the oven. As you can see, our oven, Forno Piombo, was set up where you can see the two different temperature readings. 521.6 is inside the chamber. The 438 is the heat that the oven bricks has retained. So it's not. Now what we do is we cover them with a pizza sheet pan for the first 15 minutes. You see just nothing but pure embers. But the oven is hot and it's very different to cook there than a regular oven. So therefore, we cover it for the first 15 minutes and then we take the top off and finish it off 10 minutes. Well, the most important thing now, while the oven is doing its job, is to drink a glass of wine, you know, the elixir of heaven, a little Pinot Grigio from Cooper's Hawk. Then I'm going to finish it off with a Costa Brown Pinot, which is actually my favorite, one of my favorite Pinots ever. So, cheers. I don't mind not being humble. As you can tell, they're masterpieces. Masterpieces. I can't wait to eat it. Watch my Bengals. It's a vegan apple crumble that my wife made on the Smitty. I had to get the oven down from the 550 hopefully to about 400. So what you do is you throw ice and water, but it's still hot because the Forno Piombo retains heat like no oven I ever had. So we'll cook at the edge of the oven. The apple is done and is ready to eat. The pizza was amazing. What a great Super Bowl day. It's good to be alive. Thank God for being alive.